My name is Dr. Ouillette. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon here at Florida Advanced Spine and Orthopedics. Today, I'm going to answer common patient questions regarding direct anterior total hip arthroplasty.
What is a direct anterior total hip replacement?
Direct anterior hip replacement is a minimally invasive surgical technique. This approach involves a 3 to 4 inch incision on the front of the hip that allows the joint to be replaced by moving muscles alongside their natural tissue planes without cutting them or detaching any tendons from the bone.
How is this procedure performed?
After performing a muscle-sparing dissection to the hip joint, a saw is then used to cut the arthritic ball from the upper end of the femur, which is then replaced with a metallic stem and new ball joint. Also, the hip socket is reamed and a new metal socket with a plastic liner is then placed.
What are the advantages of the direct anterior approach?
When done well, all approaches for total hip arthroplasty give good long-term results. However, the direct anterior approach has some specific advantages. Since it's muscle sparing, no muscles are cut or detached from the bone, and this helps with early postoperative pain control. Additionally, the direct anterior approach has a lower risk of dislocation when compared to the posterior approach. Finally, with the direct anterior approach, we're able to use X-ray during the surgery to make sure that the components that we're placing are in the appropriate position, as well as to ensure that leg lengths are matched appropriately.
What is the recovery time?
Because of the direct approach, pain in the early recovery process should be less, and with consistent pain management and physical therapy, patients can resume activities like driving and desk work after approximately 2 to 3 weeks. However, a return to long-distance walking and manual jobs can take up to 3 months, although patients will typically continue to see recovery for up to 1 year after the surgery. To learn more about the care we provide here at Florida Advanced Spine and Orthopedics, please give our office a call or visit us online at fastmd.com.